Can you identify this graph given on your screen right now? Yes, this graph is representing the growth of population in two different ways. One is called as the exponential growth, the other is called as the logistic growth. Welcome to day 14 of 50 days NEET challenge. So as you can see on your screen right now that this graph is having two curves. One curve which is called as the curve A and one curve which is called as the curve B. The curve A represents exponential growth. Exponential growth takes place when there are unlimited resources. And the growth of population at that time is given by dn by dt equals to Rn, where R is the intrinsic rate of natural increase, right? And B graph is representing, or B curve is representing the logistic growth. Logistic growth takes place when the resources are limited and there is something called as carrying capacity of the nature or ecosystem. What is carrying capacity? It is the maximum number of individuals that can be supported in their natural environment. So therefore this curve is S-shaped curve, also called as sigmoid curve, where the population grows exponentially for some time but it almost becomes what? Stable after some time. Why? Because the resources are limited. So dn by dt equals to Rn, k minus n by k represents the logistic growth, whereas the J-shaped curve represents the exponential growth. This graph is very important for NEET preparation. I hope you learned something in today's video.